welcome to Ina's Creations show. Okay, today I have hungry families here, so I'm going to do a very special fried rice for us. The fried rice I'm going to teach you today is called the pumpkin vegetable fried rice, and we have the rice, and we have the bacon, and I have the sausage, and then I have the pumpkin. Okay, the pumpkin. This one I just picked up from my backyard right here, and I got the carrot, and also I got the corn. Okay, and I got cilantro, green onion, tomato, lime, and a purple sweet onion right here, and eggs, and also garlic. Okay, we cannot not run out without garlic. And first of all, I need to prepare, so I'm gonna cut the carrot first. So we're gonna cook for the kids. That's why we're going to cut a small piece. Yeah, nhớ rung ở bên chụp phong chương là sắp đi. And nó cũng có kho fried rice nè, mà kỹ được bên nào. Mà kỹ nó mà cũng còn những cái rau tàu nè, chị cũng mua chợ rau chợ bất cứ nó cho là một kỹ sờ khởi sờ mò, theo sờ bacon theo sausage là xí nè. Lúc nào mà kỹ chợ là chị cho nó tới rồi cho nên chị cho nhện đó, cái hàng này chị lấy nhện nó lại nó cho nó nuôi cho healthy. Okay, สบายดีพ่อแม่พี่น้องมื้อนี้ค่อยสิมาเฮ็ดspecial fried rice เด้อ special มื้อนี้มีแต่มะอึแล้วก็แครอทแล้วก็สาลีนะแล้วก็มักดินใหญ่หอมแล้วก็มะนาวไข่ข้าวเท่านั้นแหละOkay, and bây giờ là mua cho fried rice nó còn cá sẽ được cá luôn đi cho nó. Just to let you know that, okay? So it's special. Piece it,มื้อนี้นะโอเควันนี้จะทำข้าวผัดให้กินนะอร่อยเลยข้าวผัดชนิดนี้จะเป็นข้าวผัดที่เป็นพิเศษของเราเลย I'm going to cut the corn. The corn is going to be very good. Fresh corn, okay? I mean fresh corn. Bác cứ đó, nên nó bác cứ ký cho món đó, cho nó cho fresh nè, cá chắp lời đó. Look at that. And I got 3 today. One thing that I like to cook outside because you can make little messy. It's okay. Okay, thì mình nít cook cho nó mà babies nè, very young. Cho nó muốn mix ok nè. Cái này chịu chả. Rồi họ có tiêu muốn mix nè. Cho pumpkin nó mà cắt lỡ. This is going to taste very good because you know this is fresh and young. But it's time trying. And this will be my onion. And this will be my garlic. Garlic a lot, that's good. It's good for your heart. Okay, right here, and I'm going to cut my tomato. Peel the whole thing, and then easy for cooking. Oriental. If you like spicy, you can just, get some spicy, like chili pepper in there, and it tastes good too. It's good. Tastes very good. So right now, I'm going to flick my cutter like this, so I can cut the meat. And this will be the sausage. Cut everything into a small bite. Put that in here. That in here. The ham is going to go first. That's why you don't mix. So much bacon on there, not the ham, the bacon. American sausage, not the Oriental sausage. So to let you know that you don't need to use only Oriental, ingredient to make a fried rice. You can always mix. All right, that's it. I have oil. I have oyster sauce, and I got soy sauce, and I got some black pepper right here, and MSG, and also the salt. Okay. This is the Ina's cooking. First, I put the fire first. Okay. I'm going to cook this first. Don't put too much. You need to cook well done. You want this to melt with the when you eat it, you want to melt with your mouth. You're going to put back into the tray, and then you put some more oil, and then you're going to put garlic first. Okay. Garlic first. Alright. And then you put your onion. Okay. You're going to cook your meat. You put your bacon first, because you want this crunchy. So this need cook một tờ đi nó mà rốt một cái nữa, tới khi mà đi tàu xay đi lại đi không một tờ lía. Now I'm going to put. Thì bắt đầu đi mua trắng đầu tiên nữa đó. And đi cho khéo. Now, 4 eggs. sausage and the bacon is already salty, so you don't have to put too much salt on that. Okay, just put only, and don't put too much because it's already have the bacon. It's already have a sauce. So I put little MSG, not much, and black pepper I put later. And I'm going to put little salt. Okay, that's it. Don't put too much. And now it's time to put this. I'm just going to put the tomato. Black pepper, little right here, okay. Okay, bây giờ một cái xẻ tiền nó chị, cho lemon nó chị, you can just squeeze right here. Now the fried rice is finally done, okay? Okay, chị biết tại một cái ham nè mix than cho fresh vegetable. Tiết kia nè. Ở chỗ rồi nè cho nên thì cứ tin rằng cha sẽ tôi chụp cụ thể giờ tiền này lần thứ nhì của cho video nó chị. Please subscribe on my video so you can have the following video. Okay, you will be the first one to see my video when we have a new episode coming up. Okay, thank you for watching me, Ina's creations. Have a wonderful day. Okay, see what mommy say. It's good?
Awesome.
Okay. How about you, Victor? Try it.
So good. Is that
Yeah. Okay, good.